Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to verify your ID on Kraken. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for Kraken and then sign into your account. If you don't have an account, simply sign up using your email, and then all you need to do is press on verify identity on the home screen in Kraken here, or you can find it also in your profile here to verify your account. And then after we press on verify identity, we will be redirected to a page where you need to input some informations. For example, the legal name, legal first name, and legal last name. Try to copy it from your government issued ID or from your passport, and then date of birth, the address, the phone number, and what is your employment status. Now you need to input additional informations. These are not, these informations won't be verified, but we invite you to write the correct informations here. So additional informations, how do you plan to use Kraken? You can choose one of these options, and then what are your source of funds. Also, you can choose one of these options. How much money do you expect to deposit and withdraw in a month? You can choose here, and how many trades do you expect to make in a month. Also, you can choose from the options here. Now, also, where does your wealth come from? Select all that apply. So you can select more than one option here. Former first name or alias, these are optional. And then you can press on continue. Now here you are redirected to upload a photo ID. A valid government issued photo ID is required to verify your identity. Now when you press on continue, this will open your camera to scan or to upload a photo of your governmental ID. So you choose the government or country you have the ID from, your original, and then continue. Now you can choose to upload your driver license, passport, or national ID. And now all you need to do is take a clear photo of your entire passport portrait page. You simply press on the camera here and you will open, or you can press on continue on mobile. They will send you an email with a link, so you can open the link from your phone and continue with the verifications. After you upload and take the photo of the passport and it is reviewed successfully from the Kraken team, your account will be verified successfully, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.